Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete or remove your YouTube account permanently. So let's get right into it. Head over to your browser and search for YouTube. Once you're in your YouTube account, head over to your profile. And then here you will find an option YouTube Studio. Head over to it. Now go to the settings option right here. Go to channel. And here you will see three options: basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. So go to advanced settings. Scroll down until you see an option remove YouTube content. Head over to it. Once you're there, you will see several options, and there is two: I want to hide my channel, and the second one is I want to permanently delete my content. So click on the I want to permanently delete my content option. And here you go. Here you will see two options. Just check it mark and then click on delete my content. Once you do it, it might take a few while. If your content list is long, then after that your content will be deleted and your account will be deleted too. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.